Welcome to Rhythm Radio, a Le Sommelier Club initiative.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Rhythm Radio of SJHMCT. Let's start today's broadcast with a quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to leave your footprints on the sands of time, do not drag your feet.
Hello everyone, myself Shobit. I welcome all of your attention to Wine of the Day. Today we are taking Robert Mondavi for our discussion. Robert Mondavi wines have become popular across the world. It was established in the year of 1966 with the vision to create the world's high quality wines and is located in California. Robert Mondavi is leading vineyard there with the mix of technical and marketing in their wine products. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. We will see next week, same day, same time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Beer of the Week. I am Alan Abraham Johnson from the 4th semester. Here, I am going to take Sapporo beer for our today's discussion. Sapporo beer is the oldest brand of beer in Japan. It was first brewed in Sapporo, Japan in 1876 by brewer Shibi Nagakuwa. The world headquarters of Sapporo Breweries is in Ebisio, Shibuya, Tokyo. Sapporo beer is a refreshing lager with a crisp, refined flavor and a clean finish. It is a perfect beer to pair with any meal and for any occasion. The beer has a hoppier aroma with a sweeter taste which makes it best among all beers in Japan. Although Sapporo beer is a rice beer, it is not gluten-free and is also made with barley. Sapporo beer should therefore be avoided if you are sensitive to gluten or have been diagnosed with any form of celiac disease. Thank you everyone for the kind attention. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Cocktail of the Week. It's me, Sijo. Today we are taking an American cocktail recognized by the International Bartenders Association, identifiably sporting a long curling strip of lemon rind. That is Horse's Neck. Horse's Neck is serving on the rocks in highball glass. Come, let's check the ingredients. Brandy 40 ml, ginger ale 120 ml and ice cubes 3 cubes. Now let's start the preparation. Add the brandy into highball glass over the ice cubes. Then top with ginger ale. Finally make a long strip of lemon rind for the garnish and put into it. Thank you for the listening and have a great day.
Welcome back to Quiz of the Week. It's me, Jibin Jose. Topic of the quiz is Don Papa Rum. First one, where does Don Papa Rum get its name from? Second, in which distillery Don Papa Rum is produced? Third, in which year Don Papa Rum was invented? Fourth, in which country Don Papa Rum was invented? Fifth, in which year Don Papa was available in United States? Answer of the previous quiz are the following. Where does Drambuie liquor invented? 1910. Second, in which country Drambuie is originated? Scotland. Third, which is the base spirit? Scotch whisky. Fourth, what is the actual color of Drambuie? Golden color. Fifth, what is the alcohol content? 14%. Hope all are attending the quiz.
Hello everyone, it's Ajit TS of HM here. This week we are initiating a new segment called Expert Advice. In this, we will be announcing the F&B questions and queries forwarded to us by the students of SJHMCT. Hope that this segment will be useful to you. The first question is asked by a student from 4th semester. Here we go. The first question of the week is, why corks are used to encloses for wine bottle? The answer is cork permit little amount of oxygen to enter the wine bottle. Cork allows the flavor to develop in wine and enables tannin present in wines to mellow down. Thank you for listening me. Stay safe.
Thank you for spending some time with Rhythm.